Hey guys, Mr. Haque back with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the NGK spark plug, the Laser Platinum one. Premium brand, I guess. We was meant to get 4 spark plugs, but they messed that up, so they're sending 3 more over, which means we can't change the spark plugs till later on. Or I might just buy some on the way. So it was between NGK and I think it was it Bosch? I'm not sure. Yeah, it was NGK or Bosch. NGK is known for their high quality spark plugs though, so and they are a bit more expensive than Bosch, but we decided to go for it. Okay, so let's have a look here. NGK spark plug. These are made in Japan, so you know the good quality. There's a lot of fakes out there, so be careful. Make sure you buy from a reputable source. Okay. So you just twist it, put it in. Yeah. Do not bend the tips. So yeah, spark plugs. I'll tell you what the benefits are of changing them. It'll make your idles better. Depending on what the condition of your ones are currently. My ones are gapped quite badly at the moment, so I do need a new set. So my ignitions will be better. My fuel consumption would be better as well. So it's very hard to do with one hand. I'm gonna try to take this out without breaking the box. God damn it! Now guys, I've taken out. As you can see, this is the spark plug itself. So this is the tip I was on about. My ones are gapped quite badly, so it doesn't spark as well, and it's a bit bent and dark. It's dark as well. So that's what sets off in a petrol engine. That's what sets off your ignition. Whereas in a diesel engine, you have a glow plugs, which is completely different from this. But yeah, spark plugs is this. Can you hear that noise? That's this thing that needs to get tightened up. So yeah, that's the spark plug. So this will ignite your petrol and throw your engine up and down to make it move, pretty much, which sends power to your thingy. So yeah, don't know what else to show you. Anyways guys, check out more of the car videos. I'm going to be doing some more unboxings for you as well. It's currently 6 AM. I've still not gone to bed. So yeah, anyways guys, goodbye. I'll see you guys next time.